Hello, grade 6 students. Welcome to the third lecture for this year, and we are still talking about body systems. As you know, in the previous lecture, we talked about body systems in general, and we explained in detail the nervous system that controls all body functions and gives orders to all body organs. And for today, our lesson will be talking about the circulatory system. So the human body starts from cell. Groups of cells work together to give up tissues. Groups of tissues give organs. Organs work together to make up systems, and systems together give our entire human body. So, body systems are made up of organs. Major organs in the human body are the brain, the heart, the lungs, the stomach and intestines, and the kidneys. The brain is a part of which system? As we said before, the brain is a part of the nervous system, and the nervous system controls all functions of the body. We have the heart as a major body organ also, and it's a part of the circulatory system that we're going to talk in details about it today. And the circulatory system function is to carry substances from food and oxygen from the air to the body and removes waste products away from it. We also have the lungs. The lungs are a part of the respiratory system. The respiratory system moves oxygen into the body and removes carbon dioxide from it. We have also the stomach and the intestines, which are part of the digestive system that breaks down the food that we eat into simpler substances called the nutrients to be used by the body. And also we have the kidneys that are a part of the excretory system, and the excretory system removes waste products from the body. So again, what are the functions of the respiratory system? The respiratory system is also called the transportation system because it transports substances. So it moves the blood, also oxygen and the nutrients to different parts of the body. Actually, it moves the nutrients and oxygen through the blood to all the body parts, and it helps remove waste products like carbon dioxide. What are the main parts of the circulatory system? The circulatory system is made up of what? It's made up of the most important part, which is the heart. The heart that is a muscular organ, so it's a muscle that pumps blood throughout the body. So the function of the heart is to pump blood to all body organs. We have the blood. The blood is the fluid that transports oxygen and nutrients and wastes, and the blood vessels. The blood vessels is where blood flow. So it's the network of arteries, veins, and capillaries that carry blood. Okay? So the parts of the circulatory system are the heart, the blood, and the blood vessels. The heart pumps the blood, and the blood transports oxygen and nutrients and wastes, and the blood vessels contain the blood. When talking about blood vessels, it means that we're talking about three main types of blood vessels, and what is common between them, that they all carry blood. However, arteries are blood vessels that carry blood that is rich in oxygen from the heart to the body organs and cells, I mean. Whereas the veins carry the blood that is poor or low in oxygen back to the heart, like from the organs and cells back to the heart. Why? Because after the cells and organs use the blood that is rich in oxygen, now they used it all. They used the oxygen, so now the blood is like it's low in oxygen, so it needs to go back to the heart through the veins. So these are the veins that carry oxygen poor blood back to the heart. And the capillaries, they are tiny vessels where oxygen, nutrients, and wastes are exchanged between blood and tissues. So there are three types of blood vessels. The arteries carry the blood that is rich in oxygen from the heart to the body organs and cells. The veins carry the blood that is poor in oxygen to the heart, and the capillaries are very tiny vessels where oxygen, nutrients, and wastes are exchanged. Let's talk about the heart a little bit, where it's located. The heart is located slightly to the left, in the middle, in the chest, between the two lungs. Its function is to pump blood, as we said before, delivering oxygen and the nutrients, and removing waste. The structure, as you see in the picture, the heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. The 2 atria, they are the upper chambers, and the 2 ventricles, they are the lower chambers. Okay? The right side of the heart pumps blood towards the lungs. Why? In order to get up oxygen from the lungs. This is known as pulmonary circulation. So when we say pulmonary circulation, it means that the heart pumps blood to the lungs. The left side of the heart pumps the oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body, which is known as systemic circulation. You can see in the pictures here the pulmonary circulation when the heart pumps the blood to the lungs, and the systemic circulation when the heart pumps blood to the rest of the body. Pathways of blood circulation. Pulmonary circulation, blood flows from the heart to the lungs and back to the heart. Okay, blood goes first from the right side of the heart to the lungs and back to the left side of the heart. Why? What is the purpose of the pulmonary circulation? It picks up oxygen in the lungs and releases carbon dioxide. So the pulmonary circulation is when blood flows from the heart, especially from the right side of the heart, then to the lungs, then to the left side of the heart. Why? In order to pick up the oxygen in the lungs. Whereas the systemic circulation is when blood flows from the heart to the rest of the body and back to the heart. So it starts from the left side of the heart, then to the body, it means to the body organs and cells, to the rest of the body, and back to the right side of the heart. The purpose, it delivers oxygen and the nutrients to the body tissues and picks up waste. So this is the difference between the pulmonary and the systemic circulation. What is the meaning of pulse? Pulse is the beat that you feel in certain places in your body, like your wrist or your neck. How can we measure the pulse? It's so easy. You can find a spot and place the 2 fingers on your, or even your thumb. It works. On the wrist or the neck where you feel your pulse. Count the beats, count how many beats you feel in 15 seconds only, and then in order to get it in minutes, so calculate the beats per minute, multiply the number that you get before by 4 to get your pulse rate. And this pulse rate increases during exercise in order to pump blood, more blood, which is rich in oxygen, to the muscles, meeting their higher energy needs in this case.